The 2026 MINI Hatchback is your ticket to agile city driving with its blend of style and innovation. Electric folding door mirrors offer ease when parking in tight spots, while active pedestrian safety provides peace of mind by detecting and reacting to pedestrians, enhancing your urban driving experience. Step inside to find a Harman Kardon surround sound audio system for immersive listening and a Napa leather steering wheel for elegant grip. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 MINI Hatchback. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.